Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is the next day, I mean second day in Florida, Key West, and we are all ready. Shomo isn't. So then we're going to head out for maybe sightseeing. Then we'll go to Miami today. So that's the plan. But before that, we have to have breakfast. So maybe we're going to stop by some restaurants for the breakfast and then we'll head out. So yeah, let me show you guys our hotel room tour. So this is our hotel room. This is the hallway. On the left we have one bedroom. It's all messy, by the way. There is one cabinet, TV, and there is one bathroom. This is the entryway. Now on the right we have the kitchen. There is Ma. We have the dining room and then our living room. On the left we have another bedroom. And on the left we have the bathroom. Hello. We have the balcony too. So let's go to the balcony. Hello. Good morning. উঠে গেছি তো ঘুম হলো তো Let's go to the balcony. Super hot outside. This is the view. There is our swimming pool and that's the ocean. You can see over there. So yeah. This is the view from the balcony. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit in a bit, but let me show you guys my little guy. There, Easy. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Can you say good morning?
We begin with the letter A. A. A is for ant.
তোমার ফুল আউটফিটটা দেখিয়ে দাও, একটু দূরে যাও, ফুল আউটফিটটা দেখিয়ে দাও। Let me show you guys my outfit for the day. Ta-da!
কিছু হবে না না
Good morning. Shomo. Ready হয়নি এখনো। মা যাও। হ্যালো দেখ চুচু ট্রেন দেখাও চুচু ট্রেন কিয়ান দেখেছিস ভাতু বাবা সরি
বকের মতো লম্বা টুর
কোথায়
ওই যে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
I'm sure we'll be seeing you around.
We came to the southernmost point. So we just clicked the pics. Now just see the around. There is a huge line to click pics in front of the southernmost point. I don't know what's that called, statue or whatever. So we just click the pic from the side of the statue. Now we're planning to get fresh coconut water, which is very rare in USA. But we're in Florida, we can get it very easily, right? So we're gonna get the coconut water from here. So let's do this.
Papi. I'm gonna give you a break since it's so hot today. Give me $30.
Thank you so much. Khao na. Ma now. Bosho.
Man, you gotta enjoy it. Relax. Tell me how good it is. Yeah. We even got a little bit of my life.
Chomo? Ano?
এখানে তো বিশাল বড় ব্রিজ ছিল।
ওখানেও আছে।
হ্যাঁ। জায়গাটা
Publix grocery store. We are in the car. I'm not even sitting on the seat. We headed to Miami. It's gonna be 4 hours drive. We're stopping by a grocery store to pick up some stuff. Then we'll head out. Oh, Baba. Mango. Huh? হ্যাঁ দুধ পেয়েছি hello we reached the hotel. Let me show you guys the hotel room. That's the entryway. On the left it has the kitchen. There is one small fridge, everything. হ্যাঁ বাইরেটা দেখাবো. There's a sitting area. That's me. We can see the beach from here. I think from the other patio I can show you guys that, but yeah. Eta ki? Oh. Then it's a living area. Here is one patio. From here we can see the beach. That's the beach. The weather is like not good at all. It's raining. It's not ideal beach weather, but yeah. Then on the right it has the washer dryer, bathroom, and here is the 1 bedroom. Oops, sorry. Here's the 1 bedroom. There's a mirror. Here is one balcony which has the road view, and yeah, there is another bedroom this way. This is the other bedroom. It's a cabinet. It also has the balcony. Tan. There is Kyan. There is Shomo. And here is the other bathroom. So, yeah. Raining, but still we wanted to enjoy it. We came on the roof because we have the pool here. So, na ekhane rakhi. But only me and Mama came. So, yeah. Ta-da! So, we all got freshened up. Kian is watching TV. Shomutaki. There is Kian. He's watching TV. Shomurta bheja. Dryer যখন দেব তখন দেব. Shomurta dryer আছে already. We're going to cook today. We're going to have dal, rice, egg, maybe omelette. And now Baba wants to have some tea. Shomo wants to have some tea as well. So we all four gonna have some tea. Then we'll start cooking. কি রান্না করছো টুপি পরে? কি রান্না হচ্ছে? কি রান্না হচ্ছে? কি রান্না করছো?
সেজে গুজে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে।
ভাত বসানো হয়েছে, চা হচ্ছে আর ডাল হবে, তাই তো? আর ডিম ভাজা।